Hi there, my name is Craig Stevens, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through this journey together, you and I together, and we're going to talk about optimization and all the ways optimization can help you become a better manager, a better engineer, a better decision maker. Optimization is, I put together a little video. It's an AI generated video, but I put the words in it I want, and I've picked out the voice and things like that. So hopefully it'll give you an idea what optimization is all about. So I'll share my screen and then we'll talk a little bit about optimization.
Optimization in decision-making is a crucial concept that businesses, organizations, and individuals use to make the best choices in various situations. This workshop series will introduce the concept of optimization and its importance in decision-making. Optimization is the process of finding the best solution out of a set of possible alternatives. In decision-making, optimization involves identifying the most efficient and effective way to achieve a specific goal or objective. By optimizing decisions, individuals and organizations can maximize their resources, minimize costs, and ultimately improve their overall performance. There are various techniques and tools available for optimization in decision-making. In this series, we will use Excel worksheets, the power of Solver, and AI to simplify complicated calculations. Optimization techniques include linear, integer, and dynamic programming, and simulation modeling, among other techniques. Each technique has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of method depends on the specific problem you are trying to solve. One common example of optimization in decision-making is applying it to supply chain management. Here you might minimize the cost of transportation or loss, or maximize efficiencies or profits. Companies can use optimization techniques to determine the most cost-effective way to source materials, manufacture products, and/or distribute them to customers. Businesses such as hospitals, doctors' offices, restaurants, construction and mining companies, as well as manufacturing, and others, might reduce costs, improve efficiency or profits, and enhance customer satisfaction by optimizing their operations. Overall, optimization plays a crucial role in decision-making processes by helping individuals and organizations make informed choices that lead to the best possible outcomes. Often, these are not obvious without an analysis using optimization techniques. By understanding the principles of optimization and using the right tools and techniques, decision-makers can effectively address complex problems, allocate resources efficiently, and achieve their goals successfully. We would like to welcome you to our workshops on learning optimization using Excel Solver and artificial intelligence. During the workshops, Craig Stevens will walk you through solving optimization problems using easy-to-understand techniques.
All right, well, so I think that explained optimization pretty well. We're going to spend a lot of time looking at specific problems. We'll look at staffing problems. You have a certain number of staff, you have certain times that they need to work, and you can even put in how productive each of the members are and how busy each of the times are. And then you can decide how can we minimize the cost, how can we maximize the profits, how can we maximize productivity, how can we maximize quality, how can we minimize risk, all those things. And this is a engineering tool that uses a lot of math to get there, right? But if you think of it this way, it may take you a day to solve a problem using math the way you might traditionally have used it. It may take you an hour using Excel spreadsheets and the Excel add-ons like Solver to solve the same problem. The biggest headache there is just putting all the information in Excel correctly. But it may take you only minutes using AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to solve those really complex optimization problems, maximizing profit, minimizing cost, all kinds of things. When you think optimization, think maximizing and minimizing. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to give you a tool in your toolbox that you're going to be able to use over and over and over again. But most of this is me showing you personally how to put all of this together so that you can use this as a tool for what you're doing on a daily basis. If you can optimize your quality and optimize your safety and optimize your productivity and optimize your savings and optimize your profits and minimize the cost and those things that are pulling you down, then you can go into any job, anywhere you are, any place you work, and make an impact. You can make an improvement. And so my goal is to make you the subject matter expert in optimization. And I'll see you in the next video.